Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about SonarQube. Okay, not only the SonarQube, because we have already discussed everything about SonarQube in my previous videos. In today's video we are going to understand about regular expressions of SonarQube. Okay, how we can create the regular expression and where we can use the regular expressions. So if you are a SonarQube admin, or if you are using SonarQube in your project, you should be knowing the regular expressions to uh, work with SonarQube, because that is the most important thing in SonarQube. If you are trying to include this in your project, or you are trying to run this in your uh, project scan. Okay, so let's begin the video. Here is my SonarQube portal. You can see some of the projects are created already. If I go to administration and security and permission templates, so here in permission templates you can create the regular expressions, you can set the regular expressions as well. And even in portfolios, based on your regular expressions, if you have portfolio, since this is community edition, we don't have options to create the portfolio. You get an option from enterprise, from developer admission, to create the portfolio till data center edition. Okay, so even in portfolio, if you have created a portfolio, you can use regular expressions to add projects in your portfolio. Okay, so simply if you search regular expressions in SonarQube, it will give you some guide. Okay, even if you are trying to create some project and you have added some permission template here, suppose we have added this regular expression in my project key pattern. So if you create a project with test hyphen, and if that matches this project key pattern of permission template, all the projects created with test hyphen will be added automatically in this permission template. That means this permission template will apply to that project automatically. Not only for project, even if you are creating application and you are using this project key pattern, or even for portfolios, if you are using this project key pattern, this test hyphen pt permission template will be applied to them by default. Okay, and all the permissions we have set here, like these two permission for these two groups, will be added to the portfolio, application, or project by default. So how this is happening? This is happening because of the regular expression which we have added here in the project key pattern. Okay, so this regular expression you will have to add. Either that can be your permission templates, or that can be your portfolio. I won't be able to show you the portfolio because I cannot create it in community edition. So even in portfolio, if you want to add some projects based on some naming convention or based on some project key pattern, you can create a regular expression something like this. And if the project key matches with the pattern, that regular expression, that project will be automatically added to your portfolio. Okay, so now let's try to create one permission template. So let's create it. You can provide any name, something like this, and here you will have to provide your project key pattern. And you can see the message here should be a valid regular expression. Okay, so you can provide any regular expression, something like this, something like test 123 star. So if some project start with test 123, and after that, star means anything, there should be anything after test 123. So this permission template will be applied. Okay, if you don't know how to create the regular expression, there is a tool. This website basically regex101.com. You can come here and try your permission template and test if all the naming convention basically you want to follow are coming into that or not. So suppose I have used this regular expression, I want to test it. So insert your regular expression here. Let me add this regular expression. Okay, and check if this is matching or not. So this is saying it is not matching. You can see the explanation here as well. Here as well. Test matches the characters. Test literally case insensitive, and you can see other details here as well. Okay, so like this you can test your regular expression here. You will have to provide your regular expression here. You will have to provide your regular expression here, and then you can test it. Like let me. So if you want to create a regular expression something like this, suppose test star or something like this, and you want to check if some string you are putting here will come into that regular expression or not, will be that part of that or not. So simply search test and it will say like it matched or not. Somehow this tool is not working properly at the moment, but you can see match one is found. So it will show all the details here as well. You can test any other string as well. Suppose you pasted and here, so and is not matching with test star, so this and is not coming here. So like this you can test your regular expression here, and based on that you can add that regular expression here in the permission template, or that can be in portfolio. Okay, so suppose you have added this regular expression test star in a permission template or in a portfolio. So if you are trying to create uh, a portfolio or project with this and key, project key or portfolio regular expression, then this will not work. That project will not be added to the permission template or portfolio which is having this regular expression. Okay, and if you just create a project with test, that will be part of this regular expression, and that will be automatically added to the portfolio, or the permission template which has this regular expression will be automatically applied to this project. Okay, so here in permission templates you can always click on create. You can provide the name here, and you can provide some regular expression something like this, or any type of regular expression. Suppose you want something like star test or star dot test. You want this type of regular expression, like there should be test in your project name or portfolio name or application name. You can give something like this. So dot test should be there in your project name, portfolio name, or application name. Otherwise this permission template will not be applied to that project. Okay, so this is how regular expressions work in SonarQube, and how you can utilize this to basically uh, automate few of the things in SonarQube, like creating applying the permission template, creating the portfolio applications and project with the correct permission using the permission template, and adding projects to portfolio using the regular expression. Okay, so that's it from this video. If you have any doubt or question, you can always ask me in the comments. or if you have any feedback, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet with some different topic in another video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.